Now, I want you to think about the most coldest person you know. I mean, the most wicked individual, the most ruthless person you know or can imagine. I don't want you to restrict it to your close friends, family members, or people around you. I mean, all over the world. Think about the most ruthless, coldest, and wicked person you could think of. Even if it's Buhari that you think is the most wicked individual or person you could think of, just think about it, just for an example, which means it's not restricted to anybody. Who do you think is the most ruthless and wicked person in this world? Okay, think of it. Have that in your mind. All right, with that picture in mind, hear this. Even the most ruthless, wicked, and coldest person you just thought of can't come close to how ruthless time is. Time has zero sympathy for you and I. Time is not like your mom who forgives. Time is not like your close friend who forgives you after an argument. Time doesn't forgive anyone. Time has no mercy for those who take it for granted. Time has no favors. It doesn't favor anyone, irrespective of your position, your wealth, or whatever you have in life. Time favors no one. But you know what? Time can also be your best friend. I mean, the best thing to ever happen to you. Time can be your biggest blessing and can also be your killer. But there's only one way to deal with time, for it to either work for you or against you. Only one way. And that is the only way to deal with time is for you to respect and value time going forward. If you treat time with disrespect and disregard, time will be so ruthless and so wicked to you, even to your death. Give time the respect and value it deserves. And how do you do that, you may ask? Start by making today count. Be intentional with every meeting or conversation. Be intentional with every phone call. Be intentional with every negotiation. Be intentional with every sit down with anybody. Be intentional with even your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In practical terms, be intentional with everything and anything you do with your time. That's how to respect and value time. The good book says, teach us to number our days so that we can apply our hearts to wisdom. If you respect and value time, it will be your best friend. But if you disrespect and disregard time, it will be your worst enemy and be most ruthless, more wicked, and more coldest than that person that I asked you at the beginning to think of. Time can be your best friend and can be your enemy. Value and respect time, and time will treat you likewise. Time can give life, and same time can take it. Selah. So thanks for watching, and if you got even one iota of value from this short video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also share this video with someone that this video will really be a blessing to. And also take your time and rewatch this video one more time so you can digest this bundle of message I just shared with you within this short minutes. Thanks for watching. My name is Benzik, and I will see you again next time. Cheers.